Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Planner 5D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list and all you have to do. So you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, then here can you looking for Planner 5D app. Then you click here on search, then here add Planner 5D, then you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list. You just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on Play Store, click on it, then you search for Planner 5D app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.